Chase Freedom Flex pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Freedom Flex card is a versatile cashback credit card that appeals to people looking for rotating bonus categories and no annual fee. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate how much value you can get from the quarterly 5% cashback categories. You earn 5% cashback on up to $500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter, 5% on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. For example, if you spend per quarter in bonus categories, you could earn cash back just from those purchases alone. The card has an annual fee, making it highly accessible. You also get purchase protections, extended warranties, and cell phone protection, which add value beyond rewards. Pairing this card with a Chase Sapphire card allows you to transfer points to travel partners, increasing redemption flexibility. In conclusion, the Chase Freedom Flex card is ideal for cashback earners who enjoy rotating categories and bonus rewards on everyday spending. Its combination of high cashback potential, zero annual fee, and extra purchase protections make it a practical and rewarding choice for savvy consumers.